let's try this again. We're closer to home. Our failure is going to be on the members only page. I'm not going to bore the masses with 45-mile-an-hour crapshoot with a dead battery. We're going to be using our 2400. I think this is number 3. Yeah, we're on number 3. We're zeroed out. And then redo the body post, tighten that just a hair. It's kind of a good thing. We'll worry about our speed after we're done.
Covered up your holes.
Yeah, I did.
Perfect.
Not lose any body clips. Maximum charge. Again, this is a new pinion set. It's mod 6. 52 or 55 tooth spur. Oops, forgot to turn my radio on. And 30 tooth pinion. I'm just getting this thing. You're weird on this.
Why do you have to change it every time? Are you messing with the
No,
controller?
it's the nature of this kind of car. It's a lot of other guys are having the same problem. So we'll figure it out. I'm on stock steering, so all right, let's go for it. Whoa! I turned it, wouldn't move. Wouldn't move. Something really wonky with the steering. Or maybe the gyro took over and wanted to go straight. Oh. Take a deep breath, Paul.
You better hope it didn't hit that.
I know, right?
Still got the GPS on it?
Yeah, it's fine. I landed on the grass, so
Yeah.
you
Let's
got lucky.
see what that awful spin was. Actually, you know what? Let's do another run as long as it's running. I gotta get this steering figured out.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost.
Get off. Let's get over here in the middle, so in case I get a little, I can't control it. You know what I mean?
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home.
Steering is way wrong. Something's not right with it.
I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need
Come on.
grab juice, get bruised, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, bottles, hate comments will never
It's way wrong. Something's not right.
We're all adequate, heart full of galaxies, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want to pause. So I'ma do what I want
Well,
to.
there goes that wing.
Something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to.
Good thing we got a new body coming.
Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this.
Check the speed on.
6 shots till I'm
Did I lose the GPS?
Yeah.
going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. Taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots,
Oh,
with me.
What?
52.
Yes. Okay.
With
With the steering the way it is, I'm not getting full throttle yet. I got to work on my steering, but okay, I'll take 52.6.
Take your car out of the middle of the road, Dad. Jesus.
Take 52.6. Thank you. Oh, put some wires.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, no bueno. So, let's look at what's under the hood so you can prove that what we got. No cheating. We got 3S, four wires. Battery number 3. We lost a screw for a post. We ripped I believe it's for the controller.
Put its ears from.
They were always like that. That's the way I bought them. But she ran good minus the steering, so I'm not sure what's going on with the steering. I gotta figure that out. Is something rubbing or something? So look at that. There's just the ones moving, so I gotta figure that out. Maybe they come loose. Anyways, that's where we're at. 52.6. So forward progress. 52.6 3S. Now this is a 2845 motor. We're not even in 3 Series. It's colder and cold. We didn't get anything out of it. So yeah, we'll get her rolling and we'll get out here again, get the steering right, maybe tomorrow or next day. Hope you like. See ya.